Welcome to the world of precision engineering, where every movement matters. Massive coils of pure brass wait silently, ready for transformation. Thick brass sheets begin feeding forward with perfectly controlled tension. Hydraulic presses punch through the metal, creating thousands of brass discs. Golden slugs rain onto the conveyor in a rhythmic metallic flow. Every single piece is measured carefully, down to microscopic precision. The factory never stops moving, producing components day and night. Technology and manufacturing merge together inside this massive industrial system. Flat brass discs enter the drawing stage, beginning their transformation. Extreme pressure forces the metal downward, shaping hollow brass cylinders. Cooling lubrication protects the brass from friction and heat damage. Each drawing stage stretches the casing further, making it thinner and longer. 12 mechanical systems move together perfectly in synchronized motion. Hundreds of brass tubes are formed every minute with incredible speed. Robotic arms handle every piece flawlessly with machine-level precision. Thousands of finished tubes rise upward, ready for the next stage. Advanced sensors monitor pressure constantly, preventing structural failure. The stretched brass now requires heat treatment to regain flexibility. The annealing furnace glows intensely, softening the hardened metal. Without this heat treatment, the brass could become dangerously brittle. The casings plunge suddenly into cooling water, releasing clouds of steam. Heat leaves the brass dull temporarily before the cleaning stage begins. Acid baths remove oxidation completely, revealing brilliant golden brass underneath. The transformation is stunning. Polished brass now shines like jewelry. Massive batches of casings move forward together across the production line. Protective coatings preserve the brass against corrosion and aging. Precision becomes critical now as the heading process begins. Sharp head stamps mark the brass with caliber and manufacturer details. The machines strike rapidly with relentless industrial rhythm. Precision probes inspect every primer pocket within microscopic tolerances. the casing base emerges flawlessly shaped and incredibly strong. Multiple production lines work together across the massive factory floor. The finished bases slide forward smoothly toward the next process. Endless rows of brass casings flow forward like a golden river. Tiny metal particles are brushed away, keeping the process perfectly clean. Engineers monitor real-time production data across every machine station. Rough casing mouths now move forward for final trimming. Diamond cutting tools trim the brass with incredible speed and precision. The shoulder angle must remain perfect for accuracy and safety. Laser scanners inspect every casing carefully for total symmetry. Final polishing transforms the brass into a flawless industrial jewel. The complexity of these machines is absolutely breathtaking. Every station performs a vital role in shaping the final casing. Advanced software analyzes every dimension in full 3D precision. Automated packaging systems organize the casings into flawless stacks. Thousands of finished casings create a mesmerizing industrial display. Unique tracking codes allow complete traceability for every production batch. Finished crates move toward transport, ready for final assembly. Human oversight remains essential, even in this automated world. The final label represents precision, reliability, and performance. The production rhythm continues non-stop, through day and night. Thousands of casings are produced every hour, without room for error.
Keep them coming, we're ahead of schedule.
Watch the turn, easy now.
Bay 2 is open next.
This seal doesn't match the manifest entry for Lot 42.
I see that. Hold the shipment until we verify the contents.
The final result is complete, a perfect piece of engineering. From raw brass coils to flawless finished casings. The symphony of steel and brass continues into the future of manufacturing. Precision in every strike, power in every piece is modern industrial perfection.